Hey, so I get the opportunity to sit in meetings at schools where a whole team comes together. You know, now we do it virtually, but you know, the psychology report comes in, the parents come, administrators come, teachers come, the therapist comes in, and this story always holds true and it holds a special place for me. I had to sit across from a dad who was talking about his child's results, and he went in to say that his child basically was doomed because he had executive skills disorder or executive skills dysfunction. Those are the two common terms that come out when you do reports or testing or any investigating as to why your child's struggling in school. And I am not sure if maybe dad wasn't ready to hear, because this is a journey for parents whenever their child are struggling in school, or if whoever was reading the results of that report forgot to tell dad that executive functioning skills are very important to the way your child functions in the classroom and at home and the playground and on the field. But executive skills can be improved, and they can and should be developed. Whenever I talk to parents, I always make sure and repeat this point over and over again, because I'm always thinking of that dad many years ago that was very emotional, thinking that his child had a life sentence of struggling because his executive skills were weak and were not fully developed. And I really wish I would have told him that executive functioning skills can be developed, and they develop all the way through the ages of 25. So the experiences we provide our kids really will make a huge impact on how they function. So hopefully this will benefit you, or you share it with a friend who's struggling with their child. If you want to hear more information about executive functioning skills, if you want to learn more how you can help your child, click the link below, and I will be happy to be your guide through this and help you figure out the best ways you can help your child. I'm Nicole Santamaria, pediatric occupational therapist, and I really look forward to helping you and your family out.